the first morning that I was supposed to go out and record, I'm gonna go do Richmond at sunrise. I couldn't do it. I couldn't sleep last night, and I set my alarm for 5 o'clock so I could be there for the 6 a.m. sunrise. And I had had maybe 4 hours of sleep, and it was just like I couldn't do it. And so that's going to be a continuous battle. I don't know. I don't know how we're going to do this. So even though I am out at sunrise, I have to admit that I failed again. Last night as I was excuse me. Last night as I was contemplating going out and trying to get the perfect shot in Richmond, I don't know, it was late and I was just thinking, like, is it even worth getting the sunset shot? Sunrise shot, sorry. And I just couldn't stop thinking about, like, just trying to convince myself that it wasn't even worth it. And so I said, you know what I'll take one day and I'll say I'm gonna go get the sunrise shot by my house, and then we'll see if that's worth it. And then if it is worth it, I'm just gonna go out and get sunrise shots every single morning as I was planning to do. And so far the sunrise looks incredible, to be honest. I kind of wish I had gone this morning, because it's probably perfect, exactly what I was looking for. You rarely get days without clouds in London, and so that's why today is especially valuable, because there are no clouds in the sky, and so you've got a perfect sunrise. Keep almost saying sunset. There's the drone up there, if you can see it, and the moon looks pretty cool too.